how to get a refund from Google Play Store. So if you have purchased something from Google Play Store and the purchase duration has not exceeded 48 hours, more specifically it's 2 hours, then only you'll be able to get your refund. But if the purchase duration has exceeded 48 hours, then you won't be able to get your refund back. So if the time duration has not exceeded and you want to get the refund, first of all head over to Play Store. Tap on your profile at the top right corner. Tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Head over to Budget and History. Right here it will show you all the list of the purchases that I have made on Google Play Store. I haven't purchased anything from Google Play Store, so it shows $0. But for you, if you have purchased something, tap on the application. And then tap on View. Tap on the 3 dot at the top right corner. Right here there should be a refund option if you have just purchased it within 2 hours. You just have to tap on it and you'll get the refund. But if you can't find that option, then in the next step what you can do is head over to any web browser. You need to head over to the site support.google.com and it will take you to this page. Now scroll down and tap on You can request a refund. Tap on Continue. For the confirmation of your Gmail account, tap on Yes and then tap on Continue. Right here I haven't made any purchase on Google Play Store, so it will land you on this page. But for you, if you have made the purchase, it will show you up right here and you'll get to see the option of refund. You just have to tap on it and you'll be good to go. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to get a refund from Play Store. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it in the end.